Syble art in 30 by 38 cm rounds, version 1 special treatment. Starts with gold crystals that we use to fill in the yellow heart on her umbrella, as well as the polka dots on her dress and the bottom lining of her dress. Polka Dot Cat by Syble Art, 30 by 38 cm rounds, version 2 special treatment. Now adds alexandrite that we have sprinkled on her shoes, on her blue shoes, as well as on the ribbon tied around her tail, and also on her blue umbrella. Polka Dot Cat by Syble Art in 30 by 38 cm rounds, version 3 special treatment. Now adds morganite crystals that we have placed on her pink cheeks as well as on her ears, and then the rest are sprinkled in the pink areas in the background.